right, kids, it's time for a story. Come on in.
Story time! Woohoo! Yay! Do a song without me, Grandpa!
Yay! Tell the story, Grandpa. Tell it. Yeah, Grandpa, tell the story.
Once upon a time, there was a man. He tried to go out into the sun, but it was just too hot.
I gotta burn!
Did he die?
No, he didn't die at all. He invented something amazing. He called it...
Grandpa, wake up!
the air conditioner suit. And it was... amazing.
And then what happened?
He used the air conditioner suit to rejoin the world, and he lived happily ever after. The end.
You tell the worst stories ever, Grandpa. Yeah, Grandpa, they're the worst.
Hey kids, where'd you go?
You tell the worst stories ever, Grandpa. What happened next?
He used his air conditioner suit to go out into the world, and he lived happily ever after.
What happened next?
Get out of here, kids! I hate you all!